going to do an activity to investigate the factors essential for rusting of iron. To do this activity, you will need 3 test tubes or 3 glasses which may mark. I mark these glasses as A, B, C. And to do this activity, you will need some kind of irons, and they should have to very clean. And to do this, I need hot water or boiling water and cold water, and you need oil to do this activity. Okay, let's start this activity. Okay, now let's start. Now I am going to arrange the glass A. We have to put boiled water to this glass. And after that, I put a clean iron nail to this. And we have to cover this water surface with a oil layer. I have put a small layer of oil, and this is setup A. And do you know why we put this oil layer? Because this oil layer is placed to prevent the air and that dissolve the air after this water is cooled. Okay, now we are going to arrange the second glass. We are going to arrange this, and we have to put cold water to this glass. That means to B glass. I have put cold water to this glass, and to this also I put clean iron nail to this, and I am cover this water surface with the oil layer. Here you can see the oil layer. Okay, now we are going to arrange the setup C. Let's start that. Now to this glass, it's some more differ than the other 2 glass, because we shouldn't put oil layer to this water surface. I have put cool water to this, and as in the other 2 glasses, I have put iron nails to this. Now to get the observation of this activity, that means A, B, C and to the glasses, we have to keep 3 or 4 days to get the observation. We will going to do that activity in next day. Okay, now I am going to show you what are the components in these 3 glasses. Here in this glass A, it has boiled water and the oil. And in the second glass, it have cold water and coconut oil. And in the third glass, it have cold water only. Now in day 1, that means I am going to keep these 3 glasses about 3 days, and after 3 days we can get the observation about these iron nails, how these irons are rust, and what is the reason for that. I will tell that in the 3rd day, that means the last day. Now we are going to keep this in a quiet place. Okay, we will meet in the next day with the observations. Okay, now I had keep these 3 glasses 3 days, and this is the last day. Now I am going to get the observations of these 3 glasses. Okay, now we know in this glass A, it has boiled water and coconut oil. And in this B glass, it has cold water and oil, coconut oil. And in this third C glass, it has only cold water. Now, how about what do you think? What is this dust? This rust is occur due to the air or the oxygen in the air and due to the water. Now we had kept these 3 glasses, these iron nails in water. So how did these 3 glasses or these nails get air? Okay, now let's discuss that. Here I will give you the observations. Here I have get a nail from the A glass, and let's get a nail from the B glass. Okay, now I am get the iron nail from the B glass also. Now let's get the iron nail from the C glass. Here I get the iron nail from the C glass also. Okay. Now you can see these 3 iron nails. Here in this A iron nail, you can see it is not rusted. Do you think what is the reason for that? Okay, let's see what is the reason. Here you can see this A glass is not contain oxygen because it prevented from the air. Because we have put boiled water to this, so all the air dissolved in this glass, and hence we putting a layer of coconut oil. This water, when this water is cooled, this air is dissolved because that can't goes out into this glass because we have put a layer of oil to the water surface. Now let's see what is the reason for this B glass iron nail. It is also rusted. Here you can see it is also rusted. Do you know what is the reason? Okay, let's see what is the reason. This test tube B contains cold water. No, this contains cold water. And because there is cold water, this air is contained in this glass. So this is actually it is rusted, we know, because it is wanted oxygen or the air and the water. It contains water, and due to its cold water, this air is not dissolved. So it is also rusted. Okay, let's see what is the reason for this C iron glass. Why it is rusted? Let's see. Here it contains oxygen and the water. Why? We didn't have put a layer of oil to this glass, so it is rusted. Here you can see it's hardly rusted. It's very strongly rusted. We cannot say it's not rusted. It's halfly rusted. It's full of rusted. Why is the reason? It contains oxygen and the water. Actually, it contains cold water, so it doesn't dissolve air in the water because it contains cold water, so it is rusted. Okay, now we have get the observations and the reasons for these observations. And thank you for listening my activity, and goodbye.